Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I got another video on a case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now that it just came out today, it's in stores. If they have it, I know there's back order, but cases are still rolling in. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. This is the Doxlion case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And this has a camera cover, full body, camera protection case only for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, this is some pictures right here. You can see that it's got a little pattern on the back. Fits the the S22 Ultra. Non-slip. Supposed to have pretty good grip, but you got that camera cover right there, good protection. So that's pretty cool. I hope that works out well. Now, I used this for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It worked pretty well there. No, it didn't touch the camera. It slid pretty well. I did have one for Android phone before, and it didn't work too well. We'll see how this one does as well. $14.44 for the black one I have right here. You can get it in blue and green, okay? All right, now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the package. Pretty simple package. Not much branding on there or anything like that. Here's the case right here. You can see through the package. Let's just pull this out. All right, you got a little Doxlion card in there. You can go ahead and register. Thank you for being a valued customer. All this, that, and the other. All right, now let's. Now the case feels pretty good. It doesn't feel too bad. It's kind of sturdy. It is TPU, but it's not soft. It's pretty rigid. I hope this fits well. Now you see the camera covers is covered right there. Slide that, and it does lock into place, so it's not flimsy. You can see the opening right there, and it is raised up, so you're gonna have protection there. And you got a cover opening for the charging port and your mic right there. You can see that little groove right there. You got your speaker and you got your S Pen right there. That's got enough room there. And you got these ridges on the side for grip. All right. Now you got a little branding right there. Okay. And you got your mic hole right there. You got your volume down rocker, and your power button is all open. Pretty cool. So you got some ridge on the side. And I think this might feel pretty good. You got a little pattern on the back. As you can see, it's not carbon fiber, but there's a cross pattern on the back right there. So this TPU case might work pretty well for the device. Now let's get the S22 Ultra and put it inside and see how that looks. Okay, here's the S22 Ultra right here. Let's put this inside. I hope this fits well, because if it does. Now it's not at the tightest fit, but it's not very loose either. So it does fit on there. So it's not moving around because the sides are pretty stiff. So that's pretty cool. It's usable. The lip comes over the screen right there, so you got screen protection right there. You see that. And this is up not too high, but it's high enough to give you protection to stop the accidental touches. And it's pretty slim. Now here's where the charging port is, and the mic hole right there. You got your speaker and you got your S Pen, so you're gonna need to you can get to it pretty easily, but you need your finger, the tip, to go in there to get that. Again, this is what it looks like on the side. You got your mic hole right there. You can see that it is lined up, and your power button and your they all work pretty good. All right. So I think the case feels good in the hand. It's got grip for a TPU case, and this is that camera we talked about. Now let's slide this to see. On the camera right there, you see it's well protected. Let's slide this and see if it rubs. So no rubbing. It slides over the camera fairly easily. See that? No problem. That works well. So this is good protection right here. You want the camera protected, set it down, no problem. You good. All right. Now I like this right there. All right. And what's this? What does it have there? What's that? Discover innovation. All right. That's all right. But I like this. You want to, open the camera up and you're good to go. So nice case. All right. Let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay. Here's the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and put this on. All right, so it picked up wireless charge, no problem when it's laying down. Let's stand it up and see what happens. Wireless charge works right there too. All right, let's lay it down on the side and see what happens there. So picked up wireless charge right there. So it charges in all positions, no problem. The case works well with wireless charging, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Doxlion case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's the camera cover case. It's got nice grip, slim, still give you some protection. You're not going to be able to throw this across the room or anything like that, but it will survive minor drops and scratches and stuff like that, all right? So I recommend this case, not too expensive, and it's going to give you that good camera protection that we all want to protect those lenses in the back. All right. Now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. And if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.